Hi everyone, welcome to English Classes by Sar. The chapter we are going to take up today is of grammar, that is change the voice, or in other words, active and passive. Though we have been doing this right from the beginning, but still some children are not able to differentiate active from passive sentence. As apparent from active, where subject is prominent, is the initiator, then it becomes active. But if the sentence starts with the object, third form of the verb is used, then it becomes passive. For example, I play a match where I am the initiator, it is active. But if we start with a match is played by me, then it becomes passive. Like we discussed in tense orientation chapter, here also we will discuss simple present, present continuous, present perfect, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, simple future, and then we have certain structure of sentences. In simple present, we use the helping verb is rm. We start with the object is rm, third form of the verb by, and then subject becomes object. For example, she plays football. Football is played by her. Another example, she writes a letter. A letter is written by her. If we come to present continuous, he was running a race. In ing form, we also use being, B-E-I-N-G. So she is running a race. A race is being run by her. They are informing him. So we will be starting with him, that is he. They are informing him, he is being informed by them. Or in other words, I am writing a letter. A letter is being written by me. Then we come to simple present perfect. That is has have plus third form of the verb. They have completed the job. The job has been completed by them. Another example, has she left the job? Has the job been left by her? Now we come to simple past. And here we will be using the helping verb as was verb. Same third form of the verb by and interchange of subject with the object. Like she bought some mangoes. Some mangoes were bought by her. Another example, he wrote a letter. A letter was written by him. When we come to past continuous, she was writing a letter. A letter was being written by her. Another example, they were running a race. A race was being run by them. Now we come to past perfect. They had completed the job. The job had been completed by them. She had left her house. Her house had been left by her. Now we are coming to other types, like the sentences starting with it is time. For example, it is time to start a new beginning. We start with with it is time, then we use for, then we use object, then we use to be, then we use third form of the verb. Like it is time to start a new beginning, it is time for a new beginning to be started. Another example, it is time to take lunch. It is time for lunch to be taken. Another type, universal truths, tit for tat. It is said that, tit for tat. Practice makes a man perfect. It is said that practice makes a man perfect. Then we have imperatives. Help me, please. You are requested to help me. Get out at once. You are ordered to get out at once. Don't come here. you are suggested not to come here. Then we have a different variety like sugar tastes sweet. Sugar is sweet when tasted. Quinine tastes bitter. Quinine is bitter when tasted. So, in some of the sentences starting with let us and let me. Let us play football match. You are proposed to play football match. Let me go now. You are asked to let me go now. So this is something about this chapter. It seems to be a little bit easy, but sometimes it gets complicated if we are not able to understand it properly. Now, be prepared to take up some of the exercise questions to sort out whether whatever I have delivered, whether you are able to digest that properly or not. So, question number 1, have they completed the work? Question number 2, do you know me? Question number 3, has she left the job? Question number 4, she did not buy the fruit. Question number 5, they had left the job. Next question, is it time to take this decision? Next question, lemon tastes sour. Next question, might is right. Next question, let us plan new things in life. Next question, don't disturb me. And last but not the least, let me do whatever I want. So this is something about this chapter. Thank you so much.